Did you know that radishes were a significant symbol in ancient Greece and were offered to Apollo, the Greek god, as gold replicas? Hello and welcome to our Nutrition Daily Tips channel, your nutrition coach for mindful eating and nutritional insights. Today, we will guide you through the fantastic radish world and how this humble yet powerful root vegetable can contribute to your wellness journey. Radish, Raphanus sativus, is from the crucifery or mustard family. They come in different varieties. Their skins can be red, black, yellow, purple, and pink and have a spicy, peppery taste. It is one of the oldest cultivated plants and is believed to have been first cultivated in Egypt before 2000 BC, along with onions and garlic. They were given to the workers who built the pyramids, providing energy and essential nutrients. Let's delve into vibrant radishes' nutritional value and health benefits. Richness in vitamin C. Radishes are a great source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that aids your health on many levels, like an ally for immunity, preventing cell damage, and collagen production. Micronutrients powerhouse. Radishes are a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin K, B6, folate, beta-carotene, potassium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, and selenium. Hydration. High water content, about 95%, makes radishes an excellent choice for staying hydrated, essential for maintaining healthy body functions. Gut-friendly fiber. A radish serving contains 2 grams of soluble and insoluble fiber, which aid digestion differently. Soluble fiber slows digestion if you're dealing with diarrhea, bloating, and stomach cramps, while insoluble fiber speeds up digestion, making it helpful in relieving constipation. Liver function. Radishes are a natural diuretic and have detoxifying effects, purifying the blood and eliminating toxins, supporting liver function. They also aid in the production and flow of bile, which is essential for digestion. Cancer-fighting properties. Radish root contains isothiocyanates, beneficial plant chemicals with anti-cancer and gut-loving properties. Consuming radishes can help to reduce the risk of cancer. Isothiocyanates inhibit tumor growth by inducing apoptosis through reactive oxygen species generation or cell cycle arrest. Anti-fungal properties. Radishes contain the antifungal protein RSAFP2, which inhibits the growth of certain types of yeast, such as Candida albicans. Since Candida overgrowth can cause yeast infections, digestive issues, fatigue, and other symptoms, it's best to incorporate them into the Candida diet. Protective against ulcers. Radishes benefit the digestive system, even in the form of juice. Consumption of radish juice aid in preventing gastric ulcers by providing protection to the gastric tissue and strengthening the mucosal barrier. Bone health. Radish leaves are a good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones. They also contain vitamin K, critical in bone metabolism and osteoporosis prevention. Skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants in radishes contribute to healthier skin. Vitamin C plays a role in collagen production, is vital for skin elasticity, and prevents signs of aging. Folk remedies. In various folk medicines, radishes have been used to treat conditions like jaundice, urinary disorders, ulcers, and soothe insect bites. Remember, this channel is about engaging with you and sharing our passion for health and nutrition. If you enjoy this video, show us love by hitting the like button. Radishes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, each with unique flavor and culinary uses. Now, let's delve into some of the most popular varieties. Red globe radish, cherry belle. Cherry belle radishes are round with bright red skin and white flesh. They are firm and crisp with a peppery, sharp flavor. They are high in calcium and rich in gallic acid, a compound that can reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative cell damage. It is ideal for a crunchy, peppery addition in salads, as garnishes, or eaten raw. Daikon radish. Daikon radish comes from the Japanese word for big root, known as muli. There are many varieties, including Minawasi, Tama, and the Yashige white. They have a subtly sweet flavor and are milder than peppery red radishes. They are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that promotes immune function. It's also rich in folate, an essential red blood cell function nutrient. It is ideal for Asian cuisines, stir-fries, soups, and salads. It's often pickled or grated fresh as a condiment. Pickle it with carrots and make a restaurant-worthy banh mi sandwich. French breakfast radish. French breakfast radish are oblong reddish-pink bulbs with a crisp texture and slightly sweet taste. They are high in vitamin C, an essential micronutrient that plays a key role in immune function. It is ideal for eating raw. They can be served with butter and salt, a classic French preparation, Added to salads or used as a crunchy element in sandwiches. Purple heart radish, watermelon radish. Purple heart radishes are an heirloom variety of the Daikon radish and are notable for their pale skin and vibrant pink interior, closely resembling watermelon. They have a subtly sweet flavor with a slight zing of spice. They are rich in antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C, folate, potassium, and copper. It is ideal for adding visual appeal to dishes. It can be eaten raw, pickled, or roasted. They add a burst of color and a mild, sweet flavor to salads. Black Spanish radish, Erfurter radish. This winter radish has a tough brown-black skin and white flesh. It can be round, cylindrical, or long. They have a sharp, pungent, bitter taste and spicy hot flavor. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and A, iron, magnesium, and potassium, and are known for their detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties. It is ideal to be cooked to mellow their flavor and roasted, sautéed, or thinly sliced and baked to make radish chips. What's your favorite way to enjoy radishes? Do you prefer them raw, roasted, or pickled? Share your thoughts in the comments. Cultivating radishes. Radishes are one of the easiest vegetables to grow, making them a favorite among home gardeners and commercial farmers. Radishes prefer well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Radish seeds are sown directly into the ground. They should be planted about half an inch deep and 1 inch apart in rows. For a continuous harvest, sow seeds every 2 weeks. These plants need full sun, partial shade, and regular watering. Consistent moisture is essential for the development of tender, flavorful roots. Potential side effects. While radishes can aid digestion due to their fiber content, some people, especially those with a sensitive digestive system, might cause digestive discomfort such as gas, bloating, or indigestion. Radishes contain goitrogens, substances that can interfere with thyroid function by inhibiting iodine uptake. This is only a concern if consumed in massive quantities, especially for individuals with existing thyroid disorders. Radishes also contain calcium oxalate, which can significantly contribute to kidney stones. People with a history of kidney stones may need to limit their intake. To recap, radishes, with their peppery taste and crunchy texture, are not just a culinary delight, but also a bundle of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aid in digestion, there's more to this small vegetable than meets the eye. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of nutritious radishes and more insights into healthy eating, hit the subscribe button. Share this video with friends and family who'd love to learn more about the wonders of radishes. Thanks for joining us on the Radish Adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting content on health and nutrition. Until next time, keep eating healthy and be curious about your food choices.